Employees are required by law to save for their retirement with the National Social Security Fund. Some employers have also come up with private pension schemes for their staff to save for their retirement as an option. However, there have been concerns that pension schemes have not been very prudent in their investment decisions.
Many of these assets are long-term investments that, if well structured and well selected, should yield attractive returns for the medium and long term. Aside from the good returns, investing in these kinds of assets should help with, number one, diversification. You don't want to be only focused on certain countries or on certain assets. This is a brand new set of investments.
This has seen members earn a paltry 30% in returns, which is too little.
Pension that the average Kenyan gets on retirement is about 30 to 34% of their last earnings, which is way below what they should be looking for, which is close to 75%. Now, there's a number of reasons for this, but improving the investment returns through more diversification, investing in asset classes that can help to get you those better returns. And at the same time, if we can build a country, why not?
Most pension schemes invest in the stock market, government papers, and housing. However, there exist other investment vehicles that could earn members more in returns, such as infrastructure that has historically been financed by the public sector.
A member is a pension fund which is investing in a variety of asset classes. So this pension fund is investing in government securities, it is investing in stocks on the Nairobi Securities Exchange, in fixed deposits, in bonds, in property, right? So what we are looking to do is to add the instruments or the investment classes that a pension fund can invest in.
Investment classes are new classes which are not familiar to our pension scheme trustees and so on. But working with a number of partners, we have been able to do a lot of education and sensitization on these assets, and we are now seeing take up.
This emerged during the opening of a 3-day conference by pension and investment funds from Kenya and the United States to evaluate investment potential and opportunities.
We are here together to see how we can achieve the mutually beneficial goals of safe, risk-adjusted returns while developing Africa's infrastructure.
So achieving these goals requires massive investments, which are beyond the capacity of the Kenyan government and foreign aid alone. United States private sector investors, with their large pools of capital and technical expertise, have an important role to play. That's yours.
There are more than 30 registered retirement benefit schemes operating in Kenya. Brian Itava, Channel One Business.